Okay, welcome to my sauteed mushrooms recipe. This recipe serves two. The total time is 20 minutes. And, taking steps to better health is absolutely commendable. And one way to do this is to no longer eat meat or to eat less of it. However, one thing that we may miss is the savory, delicious flavor known as umami that meat brings with it. But meat is not the only thing that gives that flavor. One of the best things you can add to a meatless meal are mushrooms. Mushrooms deliver fantastic flavor along with nutrients like, vitamin D, selenium, riboflavin, niacin, and have few calories plus several antioxidants. Wow, right? Very power pack. So these power pack mushrooms are great to add to a soup, throw in with pasta or grains, or mix with a couple of veggies sides to plump up a complete vegetarian meal. So here are the ingredients. You're going to want to get 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, typically Portobello, but you can use what you have, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3/4 teaspoon red wine, 1 teaspoon oregano dried, half a teaspoon garlic powder, and of course salt and black pepper to taste. Here are the directions. Just 4 steps to this. Number 1, in a skillet over medium heat, heat the butter and olive oil. 2, then mix mushrooms in the oil and butter until they are coated, well coated. 3, then stir in seasonings and the red wine. Again, stir to coat the mushrooms. 4, coat and stir mushrooms until tender, probably about 5 to 10 minutes. It should essentially look like the picture at the start of this video. So again, thanks for watching. And if you need to rewind or scroll back, you can take a look at the ingredients and directions and then pause the screen, or the ingredients and directions are in the description of this video. Enjoy this yummy dish, and again, make sure to come back and to comment below about what you liked about it. I appreciate you watching this video, and as always, I wish you the very best in your journey of health.